What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in Seymour for another open day weekend. This is the Seymour Railway Heritage Centre open day. This is the Sunday, so the second day of the event. I had attended the open day the previous year as well, and I really enjoyed it, so thought I would come back and check it out once again and enjoy more railway action, just to enjoy some trains and have a chill day out. There were locomotives to look at, rolling stock to go into, and there were locomotives going up and down the line with cab rides available as well. This year's open day also saw the reactivation of Y102, which until this year hadn't been moved or started for 31 years. And after lots of testing, this loco is deemed fully functional. So I wonder what their plans are with the future for this locomotive. Now, this was something we actually spent quite a bit of time looking at because we were just absolutely loving this. This was an excavator which was showing us how the rails were being placed and the sleepers were being spread out with this machine and this tool. And it was really, really cool to see how they were demonstrating this. This is something you don't see very often or anything unless you're actually, working on the job or in the industry, or if you're somehow passing by this machine on the rails, then you might get a glimpse of this. But it was really cool to just have a really good look at this and how this machine operates, and the very controlled and skilled workman that was doing the demonstration. He did an absolutely fantastic job, and it was, a little great watch. So the first part of the demonstration was watching this specific tool pick up these concrete sleepers, bring them over, and then evenly spread them out ready for rail to be placed on top. Here you can see he's using a different tool and using this to pick up the rail and place it perfectly on the sleepers. And walking into one of the sheds, we can see a locomotive here being worked on, but it's being turned into like an office kind of shed living area. Yeah, really, really cool. Keen to see how this turns out. There were a few rows of carriages that you were able to get up in and have a look at, so we're just going to take a quick browse and have a quick look through them. So after having a bit of a walk around and explore with the boys, some of the diesel locos were actually notching up and letting you get a chance to listen to them up close. So that was the 2024 SIHC Open Day. A lot of it was the same as last year, just getting a good look at the locos and letting the team show off the work that they're doing, what they've got going on, any ongoing future projects and any other upcoming tours, and just promoting the group itself. So don't forget to book a ticket and jump on one of their excursion trains and have a day out. It's been a while since I've been on one of their trains, so I'm absolutely looking forward to getting back on and having a day out one day soon. Well guys, I guess that's it from me. I'll leave you with a couple of shots just to round out the video. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And check out my other videos. We've done plenty on the channel. I'll leave all the links in the description to my social medias. So give me a follow, and if you want to check out any other content on there, please do. And we will see you in the next video. Take care and peace.